am Likhitha H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, we're gonna make an app that shows maps. So first, let's create a project by going to File, New, and then New Project. Over here we have a bit change. Usually we take the empty activity, but this time we're going to take Google Maps activity so that it makes our work less. And then I'm naming this as maps underscore tutorial and then finish. Let's just and now we need to do a bit of change. Over here they just said your key. Then we'll have to put the key so that it shows up the Google map. Let's go to my Google account, and then over here we are going to search console.cloud.google.com. And then it's taking me to this kind of screen. So let's click on the menu. Yeah. And now let's go to API and services, and then let's go to the library first. And then let's go to Maps SDK for Android. Over here I have enabled the API. You'll have to enable the API in your case. For enabling, you have to go to manage. You have to click on the button manage over there. And now it takes you to this kind of screen. Then click on the Maps SDK for Android over here, the drop down, and then enable API. Takes you to the new screen. And now your API will be enabled. Yeah, now your API is enabled. Now you just cancel the tab over there. And now let's come back to API and services. Click over here and then API and services. And then let's go to the credentials. Over here, let's say create credentials and then API key. And then let's say restrict key. And then over here it's the none. This is the main part. Over here it's none. We'll have to change it to Android apps. And then let's say I add an item. Let's go to our project and then go to maps activity.java, and then let's copy up the package, leaving the package and the semicolon. Let's do Control C. Let's come back and then do Control V. And now we need SHA. So for that, we'll have to copy. First, let's open the terminal. So let's just say terminal, yeah, command prompt. And over here, what we'll have to do is we need to copy this. I am in Windows, so I'll say for Windows. It depends on your device. If you're on Linux, you can take this, or if you're on Mac OS also, you can take the same thing. So I'm copying this code and then coming to my terminal. Yeah, over here. Let's lift. Yeah, let's do Control V now. Okay. So okay, we just didn't copy the whole thing. Let's do just say copy, and then now let's come back over here, and now let's do Control V and then enter. Yeah. So do you see this SHA one over here? Let's copy this up. So Control C, and now let's come back to the account, and then let's come here and do Control V. Let's click on done. And now I'm not in a mood of taking don't restrict key, so let's just click on save. And today's date is 11th, so we have it over here. Yeah. So let's just copy this key. This is not the key. This is the key. So let's copy this up. It's saying copy. And now let's get back over here. Let's go to the Google Maps underscore API.xml file. And over here it's saying your key. Let's delete that and then let's do control V. Usually the API key starts with AIZ. And now let's run it and check. That should work perfectly. If you not enable, what will happen? Then if you don't enable it, it shows you like this, this blank screen. Let's wait it to run now. Let's open it and check if it's installed. So I think there is something wrong. Okay, let's just go there. Let's just go back and let's come up here. Let's just go to edit. We've done it. Yeah, we forgot to save this over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's wrong? Why is it showing? The API is unrestricted to prevent. Okay, so let's just edit it up. And let's go to Android. Let's say add an item. We'll have to now repeat this up. Okay, it's all a mess now. We'll have to copy the package over here. Control C, and now let's come back. Control V. Let's copy this. Come to the terminal. Let's open it up. And now let's do Control V and enter. And now it provides us the SHA key. Yeah, let's just copy this up. Not this. No, there should not be any space between them, like this or this or anything like that. So let's just do Control V, and now let's come up here and do Control V. Then done, and now let's click on save. Yeah, and now I think that we can just copy it up, go to the project, and now let's delete this much, and now let's do Control V. Yeah, let's rerun it. Know what's wrong with it. Let's go before and check if we have enabled. Let's go before. Let's go back. Okay, let's just try it again. Let's say Just say console.cloud.google.com. Yeah. Okay, here let's click on the menu. First, let's click on the menu. Let's go to API services, library, and then Maps SDK for Android, and then go to manage. And then go to Maps SDK for Android, and then let's say enable API. Yeah, so now it's enabled. And let's go to credentials now. Let's say click here, and the menu now. The navigation menu, and let's go to API services and then go to credentials. So I think let's create another credential to check it out. And then restrict key. And then Android apps, and then add an item. And now do that. Okay, again it's the key itself. Let's go to our app. And let's first check it out. No, it's not working. So let's move back and let's go to main activity.java, and now let's copy this, come here and paste it up. Then let's copy this up, and now let's do Control V. Copy this, and now let's come up here to the terminal and do Control V, and then enter. Control V and then enter. Yeah, and now we get the show key. Let's do Control C, and now come here and then paste it up, and then say done. And now let's save it. And now let's copy this. Let's come back. Let's go to Google Maps API, and now let's paste it up. And now let's rerun it. Yeah, so you saw that? The Australia. So let's just zoom it and check now. It would be even more fun. So press control, click, and then zoom. Control, click, and then zoom. Click and then zoom. Yeah. Control, click, and then I'm zooming. Let's come down. Control, click, and then zoom. Bit more. Click and then zoom it more. Control, click, and zoom. I'm zooming it more. See Northern Territory, the Alice Springs. Okay, let's just make it a short. Yeah. See Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So you saw there's India over here, and Bangalore, Mumbai, New Delhi. So many. The Pakistan is completely showing the map. So you get that how it's coming? It's taking the API key that we pasted from here, and then the API key is showing our exact location or the map, and it's pasting it over here in the app, and then when we run it, it shows up here. You saw Mongolia, Russia, so many stuff. So now you know how to get a map onto the screen. That's great. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.